In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Eventbrite event public. If you've set up an event and you're ready for people to discover it, switching your event to public on desktop is the most common and straightforward way to do it. I'll walk you through the exact path in Eventbrite and explain what public actually means so you know what to expect once you publish. Start by heading to eventbrite.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, open Manage Events. This is where you'll see a list of the events associated with your account. Click the event you want to share, and that will open the event dashboard. The dashboard is your control center. It's where you manage your details, tickets, and, importantly, how your event appears to the world. Next, go to the Publish area. In this section, look for Privacy or Event Visibility. This is the setting that controls who can see your event. Select Public. Choosing public means you're telling Eventbrite that this event should be discoverable, not limited to people with a private invite link. After selecting public, click Publish or Save Changes. That's it. The change is applied to your event's visibility. Here's what being public means in practice. Your event can now appear in Eventbrite search results so people browsing on the platform can find it. It can also show up on Google and other search engines, which helps new attendees discover you beyond Eventbrite. Anyone can view your event page without needing a special link, and in some cases, your event may also appear on Eventbrite partner sites that highlight local happenings. A few important notes to keep in mind. If your event was previously private, it can take some time for search engines to pick up the change. That delay is normal and depends on how often those services refresh their listings. Once your event is published and public, people can find it without a link. So make sure your details, like date, time, location, and ticket types, are accurate before you confirm the change. If you ever need to limit access again, you can switch it back to private at any time using the same privacy or event visibility setting, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps on desktop, your Eventbrite event becomes discoverable to a wider audience, giving you the best chance to reach more attendees.